And that, of course, will impact the earnings, the Indian equity markets, and many of the commodity calculations as well. But Navneet Damani of Motilal Oswal then joins us to talk about strategies there. Navneet, hi, good to have you. What's your own sense coming in for the rupee? Because while most people believe that the rupee, that the dollar can see further strength from here, there also are reports that the currency perhaps is overvalued and can see a reversal in next 12 months.
Good morning, Manisha. Yeah, as you mentioned that we've seen massive correction into euro, into JPY, into GBP, and that is not the kind of correction or probably the depreciation we've seen in the Indian rupee. It's held up very well, and it's about down 2.5% as against most of the pairs down about 15 to 20% against the dollar. For the next year, probably the kind of outflows that we've seen in the debt front as well as the equity front, if those kinds of outflow continue, we may see rupee continuing to be under pressure. It's not a great sign for rupee at the moment. We've almost hit the lifetime high last month and probably are headed towards those level or even higher over the next quarter or so.
Navneet, also, how are you looking at the crude oil prices? I mean, we've seen nearly 50% gains from the kind of lows that we hit in this year. Are you getting into the new year with long positions?
Well, Manisha, in the last interaction also I mentioned that there's a range shift for crude oil prices. We've seen range shifting from 42, 52 now towards 46 and $56. Ultimately, prices are headed towards 60 levels for the next couple of months or so. But for the very short term, I expect $56 to hold on. We've seen positive data coming in from the US inventory front, and that could pressurize prices. So for the next week or so, I expect prices to hold on towards 54, 55 levels and probably inch towards 52 levels. So it's a bearish signal for the very short term.
Okay, all right, Manisha as well as Navneet, thanks very much for joining in and bringing us all of those strategies in the commodity space. Maybe